Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and I want to show you how I clean my bathroom in time for spring. So with spring cleaning just around the corner, it's very important that we get our bathrooms clean. I always start by vacuuming the bathroom from the top to the bottom and left to right. Then I use our dusting glove to dust any delicate lighting fixtures. And I dust windowsills, etc. I like to use the Easy Click duster to get up cobwebs in high places and our dusting wand in lower, hard to reach places like behind the toilet and in between the vanity and the wall. And for windows and mirrors, I use our window cleaning kit. And check out our video on that. For countertops and the sink and the cabinets, I love using the bathroom cleaning kit. I then tackle soap scum in the shower with our shower cleaning kit. And once I'm done, I just throw all the cloths in the laundry basket to be used again and again. No cleaning solutions and no wasteful paper towels. So please comment below and let us know how you use eCloth to clean your bathroom. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more spring cleaning tips. Thanks for watching and see you soon.